Is the Mercedes C180 Kompressor still worth buying in 2022? Well, here's my honest answer to this question, depending on certain factors and choices made by certain buyers. But firstly, everything is not for everyone, and also people choose what they want to buy, and that's just life. But there are certain things that can't be avoided when they present themselves, like how this Merc came to my possession. I didn't pay a hefty price, but for €550 I was tempted. Lucky enough, it turned out to be the best choice I ever made. So, what's the story with this C180 Kompressor? Well, it is a very well-made car for its year, released from the year 2000 up to 2006. This one in particular came with a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder supercharged engine, paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox, putting out a whopping 141 horsepower and 22 newton meters of torque at 5,200 revolutions per minute. A 0 to 60 takeoff speed from 9.7 seconds, with power being delivered to the rear wheels. The inside is comfortable and spacious. A nice luxury feel Mercedes was known for is present. The drive is absolutely fantastic, with a fuel economy of 36 miles per gallon. A spacious boot capacity of 455 liters to fit in all your shopping. This car can suit a lot of users and still worth having in 2022. They are reliable and can go up to 300,000 miles if well looked after, and most of them have done 200,000 miles already if you happen to find one that is second-hand. So if I had a budget of €3,000 to buy a car in 2022 and the options available at that particular time were a VW Passat or any Toyota from 2010 going upwards for the same price of €3,000, well, in those given circumstances, the choice will remain the same. I will go for the Merc anytime. Anyway, this was not an in-depth review or a buyer's guide of the C180 Kompressor, but just my opinion on whether it is ideal to own this car in this day and age.